Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off touch vibration on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Some users simply prefer the look and feel of a device without touch vibration. By disabling touch vibration, allows them to customize the user experience and aesthetics of their device according to their personal taste. And then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, select sound and vibration menu here. Okay, and then please scroll down. After that, choose vibration intensity here. Okay, and then here you can move this slider to the left side to turn off touch vibration on your device. Okay, so now the touch vibration on your device is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off touch vibration on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.